Hey everyone! If you're looking for an old message, Telegram has a built-in search feature that lets you quickly look for specific words, phrases, or messages inside your chats. First, open Telegram and go to the chat where you want to search for a specific message. Once you're inside the conversation, look toward the top right corner of the chat window. You'll see a search icon. Click on it to open the message search. A search field will appear. Now, type the word or phrase you remember from the message you're looking for. As you type, Telegram will search through the conversation and show messages that match your search. Or, right inside the search field bar at the top, look for the small person/profile icon. Click it, and a list of group members will pop up. Select the person you're looking for, type your keyword, or leave it blank, and Telegram will instantly filter the results to show only messages from that specific user. If you don't remember who said something, but you know when they said it, you can jump back in time using the calendar tool. Open the search bar inside your chat. Click the calendar icon right next to the search field. A date picker will pop up. Choose the exact day or month you want to target, and Telegram will instantly warp your view straight to that point in the chat history. I hope this tutorial was helpful and easy to follow. If it helped you find specific messages in Telegram, please like and subscribe for more simple Telegram tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.